Can I fix my Honeywell thermostat not turning on heat by myself?
Hello everyone, in today's video we are going to talk about a common issue, your Honeywell thermostat not turning on heat. We will be discussing some simple troubleshooting steps that you can follow to potentially solve the issue on your own. Remember, safety is paramount. If at any point you feel uncomfortable with the process, please call a professional.
Checking the basic settings.
The first thing you want to do when your thermostat isn't turning on heat is to check the basic settings. Is your thermostat set to heat? If not, simply switching your thermostat to the heat setting may solve the problem. Also, verify the temperature set point is higher than the current room temperature.
Power source and batteries.
One common cause for a Honeywell thermostat not functioning properly is related to power issues. Check if your thermostat is powered on. If it's not, you might have a problem with the circuit breaker or fuse in your home. In case of a battery-operated thermostat, check if the batteries need to be replaced.
Thermostat reset.
If the settings and power supply check out, you might want to try a reset. A lot of electronic issues can be solved by a simple reset. For most Honeywell thermostats, you can do this by pressing and holding the off button for a few seconds. Remember, this will wipe out all the custom settings.
Checking for dirt and debris.
Sometimes, your thermostat might not be working properly because it's dirty. Dust and debris can interfere with the thermostat sensors, causing it to function incorrectly. Carefully clean your thermostat with a soft brush or compressed air. Be careful not to damage the sensitive parts of the device.
Consult the manual or call for help.
If none of these steps have worked, it's time to consult your Honeywell thermostat's manual or call for professional help. The manual often contains a troubleshooting guide that can be very helpful. If you don't feel comfortable doing more technical checks or if your device is under warranty, calling a professional is the best option. We hope you found this video helpful and now have a better understanding of the common issues that could lead your Honeywell thermostat not to turn on heat, and how you can troubleshoot them yourself. Remember, safety first, and don't hesitate to seek professional help if needed. Stay warm and safe, and we'll see you in the next video.